Okay. Now, payment terms is done. Payment terms with cash discount, we'll do it later. Okay. Now we'll go. Let me check anything else. Yes, we'll do month end and year end activities. Okay. We'll go here. Okay. Yes. Now, this is just a simple topic. You just have to know it for information. Okay. Now, can you see this month end and year end activities? Yes or no? Now, what are month end activities? Shravya, can you read month end activities? This part left hand side. Okay. Pooja, can you read? Pooja, are you there? Okay. Pragati, can you read?
Yes, sir. Month-end activity. First, open and close posting period. Second, exchange rate, FCV, released and unreleased. Third, dunning. Fourth, APP. Fifth, PL and balance sheet. Sixth, reporting FBL1, FBL3N, FBL5N.
Okay, stop. Now, every month there are some activities which the finance consultants have to do, which are open and close posting period they have to do. They have to check foreign currency valuation, which is exchange rate. Dunning they have to check. We'll do the dunning part, okay, later. This is automatic payment program. Yes, then there is profit and loss balance sheet they have to check. Then they have to check the reporting, FBL1 and 3N and 5N also. So these are month end activities which every FICO consultant should do. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now there are year-end activities also. Year-end activities also. So yes, Ashutosh, can you read year-end activities?
Year Year-end activities. First one is open and close posting period. Second one, exchange rate PCV, realized and unrealized. Third one is dunning. Fourth one, APP. Fifth one, PL and BS. Sixth one, reporting FBL1, FBL3N, FBL5N. Retained earning account, number range extension.
Correct. Now if you see, first six are same for year-end activities also. These first month-end activities and first six year-end activities are the same. There are two additional year-end activities, which is retained earning account and number range extension. Yes or no? Retained earning account and number range extension. These are two additional activities which are done at the year end. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, no? Any questions regarding this? Why retained earning account is done at the year end? Can anyone tell me?
To check the profit and loss and move to the next year.
Okay, why can't we do it every month?
Sir, because we take the profit from the profit and loss from the air and balance, so that we can reflect in the balance sheet.
Correct, but why don't we do it every month? Why every year?
So because balance sheet is prepared at the end of year, na?
Correct. Okay. And number range extension is also done at the year end. Clear the difference between month end and year end activities? Yes or no, everyone?